Today we'll do some practice exercise of exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Here the give example of a rational number. That is, we have to write any example of rational number. You can write 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1, 4, 5, etc. Because rational numbers are in the form of p by q here, and q is not equal to 0. Now in 1 by 2, 2 is not equal to 0, therefore it is a rational number. Here 2 by 3, 3 again not equals to 0. Now 1, it can be written as 1 by 1. 1 is also not equal to 0, it can be written as 4 by 1. This can be written as 5 by 1. Here 1 is not equal to 0, therefore 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1, 4, 5, etc. So many examples are there for a rational number. Now in the answer number second, state true or false. That is, we have to find it is true or false. Every irrational number is a real number. That is, irrational number must be a real number or not. Yes, true, because a real number is a collection of rational and irrational number. Because in real numbers we have rational numbers as well as irrational number, therefore every irrational number is a real number, therefore it is true. Now in answer number 3, write a rational number not lying between minus 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. As we have find many numbers which lying between any two numbers, but here we have to find a number which not lying between these two number. There are so many example like 3 by 5, because on number line here is 1, here is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, and similarly here is 2, 3, so on. This is origin, that is 0. Now we have to find a number which not lying between 1 by 5, so we divide it by 5 to make a number line first, and we have to write a number which does not lie in these two number. We can write an example like minus 3 by 5, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, but it must be not between these two number, therefore here I write is minus 3 by 5. This is the answer. Now in answer number 4, write two examples of irrational number. We know that in the root, like under root 2, under root 5 are irrational number. Similarly, we can write any non-terminating, non-repeating number like 0.10, 100, 100, 1000, so on, which is non-terminating, that is which is not stopping, and which is non repeating. That is, here is 10, here is 20, here is 30. The number is not repeating, therefore it is also an example of irrational number. So we can write many number like these are the example of irrational numbers. Now question number 5 is represent under root 2 on number line. We have to represent this on number line, that is an irrational number on number line. To represent under root 2 on number line, first we write it in the form of Pythagorean triplet, that is under root 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, because 1 plus 1 again equals to 2. Now it can be written as 1 square plus 1 square. As I already mentioned that in Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square, and we must have to use one number equals to 1, that is either perpendicular equals to 1 or either base equals to 1. If I take the value of base equal to 1, then 1 is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Now it can be perpendicular or it can be base. Now we know that hypotenuse square, therefore it is equals to 2. This is the hypotenuse. Now to draw it, first we draw the number line. You can draw it with the help of scale. And mark the point. by measuring 1 units distances. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Now our base equals to 1 unit and perpendicular also equals to 1 unit. Here I mark this point as O, this point as A. Now OA equals to 1, this is base. Now we have to draw the perpendicular. For perpendicular, first we draw an angle of 90 degree at point A. An angle of 90 degree. First we draw an angle of 90 degree. You can draw it with the help of compass or with the help of protractor. This is the angle of 90 degree. Now perpendicular equals to 1 unit, so we mark an arc of 1 unit from point A on the angle of 90 degree. Let this point equals to B. Now join OB. This is the hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. Now put the compass at point A and open it OB with the distance OB and mark an arc which intersect on the number line. Let this point is C and this is the representation of under root 2 on number line.